If you are experiencing high CPU usage from the Windows Shell Experience host, the first and simplest solution is to restart your computer. You can do this by right-clicking on your Start button, selecting Shutdown or Sign Out, and then choosing Restart. Another effective method is to ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. Right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab, and in the right pane, click on Check for Updates. Installing the latest updates can often resolve known performance issues. Next, you can run a system file checker scan. Search for command prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command will scan your system files for corruption and attempt to repair them. Finally, performing a clean boot can help identify if a background service is causing the problem. Search for System Configuration in your Windows search bar and open it. Go to the Services tab. Here, you will want to check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. After doing so, if any other services are checked, click on Disable All. Then, click Apply, then OK, and restart your computer. This will start Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.